You tell this fine young man how he'll feel after he eats our sushi.
And more weird.
You can tell that.
We interrupt this program at the request of the White House. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. You are currently watching the Washington Post channel. Do not make any phone calls during this emergency. Phone lines should be kept open for official use only. An announcement from the President or his designated representative will appear shortly.
It's been signed by other presidents. From 1977 or so, it gave the presidents the power. There's rarely been a problem. They sign it. Nobody cares. I guess they weren't very exciting. But nobody cares. They sign it for far less important things in some cases, in many cases. We're talking about an invasion of our country with drugs, with human traffickers, with all types of criminals and gangs.